Did you know that every 3 seconds, someone in the world develops dementia? And in the US, there are now more than 6.7 million people living with Alzheimer's disease, a number that is expected to double by 2050 without effective interventions. What's more worrying? According to research from Johns Hopkins University, the silent stages of cognitive decline can begin in people's 40s and 50s, but most of us don't notice it until it's too late. You may be experiencing the first signs right now without even realizing it. Sometimes you forget why you walked into a room. You have trouble remembering the name of an acquaintance. You feel like your concentration and processing speed aren't as sharp as they used to be. None of this is normal aging. They are silent distress signals from your brain, asking you to act before it's too late. And the good news is, modern science has discovered nutrients that can not only slow down, but also reverse the aging process of the brain. No need to wait for miracles, just understand and apply smart changes today. In this video, we will explore 6 essential nutrients, proven by leading research, that can help you restore your memory, increase your mental clarity, maintain a stable mood, and more. Protect your dignity and freedom as you age. Before diving into these 6 golden nutrients, if you are interested in brain health and active aging, leave a comment to let me know where you're watching the video from. Don't forget to click the like button to help the video spread to more people, and subscribe to the Health Elderly channel to receive the latest videos. 1. Omega-3s, DHA and EPA. The foundation of a sharp brain. After 50. If you're over 50 and starting to notice memory loss, slower thinking, or a feeling of fogginess and lack of concentration, this isn't just normal aging. It's a sign that your brain is losing something essential, omega-3s, especially DHA and EPA. What few people tell you is that the human brain is made up of 60% fat, and DHA accounts for more than 20% of that. When DHA levels drop, the brain begins to shrink, nerve synapses slow down, leading to memory loss, slow reflexes, and confusion that gradually manifests in everyday life. Research from Johns Hopkins University shows that older adults with high levels of omega-3s in their blood have a 70% lower risk of dementia, a number that cannot be ignored. The great thing is that you can improve it in just 2 weeks. Proper omega-3 supplementation has helped many elderly patients restore their memory, increase their mental clarity, and regain their mental independence. Experts recommend eat 2 servings of wild salmon per week, or take omega-3 supplements extracted from seaweed. This is not a fad. This is real-life neuroscience, helping you protect your brain and your dignity as you age. 2. Vitamin B12. The silent savior of the nervous system and memory. If omega-3 is the foundation for a healthy brain, then vitamin B12 is the lifeblood that transmits all your thoughts, memories, and reflexes. Every time you forget why you entered that room or feel your legs suddenly weak and shaky, it is very likely that it is not just old age, but a B12 deficiency that is secretly destroying your nervous system. B12 does more than just support memory. It is a vital factor that helps protect the myelin sheath, an insulating layer that surrounds the nerves. When B12 is lacking, this sheath begins to wear away, causing signals in the brain to become unstable. You feel confused, dizzy, have difficulty keeping your balance, even easily falling even when just standing up gently. The warning is, people over 50 years old have a reduced ability to absorb natural B12 through food, especially when taking stomach medicine, diabetes medicine such as metformin, or being vegetarian. Prolonged B12 deficiency can lead to permanent, irreversible nerve damage if detected too late. Many studies have shown that supplementing vitamin B12 in the right dose can improve memory, reduce anxiety, and increase concentration after just a few weeks, especially in the elderly. 3. Vitamin C, the antioxidant shield that protects brain tissue and clarity. When it comes to vitamin C, most people only think of the immune system, but few people know that vitamin C is one of the key nutrients that helps protect the brain from the silent ravages of time and oxidative stress. Imagine the brain as a sophisticated machine that operates 24/7 for decades. Over the years, free radicals generated from metabolism, pollution, and even stress begin to damage each tiny nerve cell, just like rust corrodes machinery. And vitamin C is nature's most effective anti-rust agent. Many studies have shown that high levels of vitamin C in the blood are directly related to better memory, faster information processing speed, and a lower risk of dementia. In addition to creating collagen to keep brain blood vessels elastic and well circulated, vitamin C also reduces inflammation, soothes irritated nerve tissue, protects the brain from age-related damage, increases absorption of iron, an essential nutrient for a healthy brain. 4. Vitamin D, the silent guardian of memory and emotion. You may have heard of vitamin D as an important nutrient for bones, but few people know that vitamin D is also the gatekeeper of memory, mood, and brain health, especially after age 50. When vitamin D levels in the body decrease, you are not only at risk of osteoporosis, but also face cognitive decline, depression, and even dementia. Many older adults in the U.S. today are seriously deficient in vitamin D without even knowing it, partly because they rarely get enough sunlight, partly because the skin's natural synthesis ability has decreased with age. And what are the results? You feel heavy in the morning, difficulty concentrating, forgetfulness, mood swings, feeling tired, depressed, for no apparent reason. A study published in the Journal of Alzheimer's Disease found that older adults with low levels of vitamin D had a 53% higher risk of cognitive decline than those with adequate levels. Vitamin D has the ability to protect the hippocampus, where memories are stored, stabilize the hormone serotonin, helps maintain a positive mood, reduce neuroinflammation, the silent cause of many brain diseases. 5. Magnesium, the mineral that calms the mind and keeps the brain sharp. If you often feel anxious, have trouble sleeping, have a fuzzy memory, or are easily irritated for no apparent reason, chances are you're deficient in magnesium. Magnesium, also known as the calm mineral, is an essential nutrient for more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, especially in the brain and central nervous system. Magnesium deficiency can not only leave you exhausted, but can also silently damage your memory, emotions, and ability to think logically. The alarming thing: about 50% of older adults in the U.S. are not getting enough magnesium each day, largely due to a diet poor in the mineral, diuretics, or chronic illness. Our bodies don't produce magnesium, and magnesium levels naturally decline with age. A study in the journal Neuropharmacology found that magnesium can enhance brain plasticity, improve long-term memory, and reduce the risk of Alzheimer's. It also helps stabilize cortisol levels, the stress hormone, which can significantly improve sleep and mood after just a few weeks of supplementation. Magnesium also helps you reduce muscle spasms and headaches, increase brain cell energy metabolism, reduce anxiety, agitation, and mood swings in older adults. 6. Curcumin, liquid gold to fight inflammation for a long-term mindfulness. Did you know that smoldering inflammation in the brain is one of the main causes of memory loss, mental decline, and Alzheimer's? And unfortunately, most of us don't feel it until it's too late. But nature has given us a wonderful antibiotic that doesn't require a prescription: curcumin, a valuable active ingredient in turmeric, considered liquid gold for the brain and nervous system. Modern science has caught up with traditional wisdom. Dozens of studies have confirmed that curcumin has the ability to cross the blood-brain barrier, helping to prevent neuroinflammation, the main cause of brain degeneration, enhance memory and learning functions, especially in the elderly, a powerful antioxidant protecting nerve cells from premature aging. A study published in the American Journal of Geriatric Psychiatry found that people who supplemented with 90 milligrams of curcumin daily for 18 months had a 28% improvement in memory and concentration compared to a control group. Why do many people supplement with turmeric but see no results? The reason is simple. Pure curcumin is poorly absorbed if not combined properly. You need to use nanocurcumin or combine it with piperine to increase absorption by more than 2,000%. As we enter our golden years, taking care of our brain health is not simply about living longer. It's about living proactively, fully, and with dignity. The 6 nutrients we've explored today are the key to investing in that future. A future where you can still move freely, remember with confidence, maintain independence, and maintain loving relationships around you. Importantly, prioritize supplementing these nutrients from natural foods every day, such as salmon, green vegetables, berries, turmeric, and eggs. And if necessary, don't hesitate to choose high-quality, scientifically proven functional foods to make up for the nutritional gaps that age leaves behind. Because keeping your brain healthy is not just about protecting your memory, it's also about protecting your freedom and dignity. A clear mind, a sharp spirit, a resilient body. That's how we get through old age, not with fear, but with pride. And now, if you're really interested in your brain health and the quality of life of yourself or your loved ones, let's take action today. Leave a comment sharing the health topic you want to learn more about. If you've ever used one of these nutrients, share your real-life experience to motivate others. Don't forget to like and share this video with your loved ones, because who knows? Just a small change today can make a different future. And finally, click the subscribe button to the Health Elderly channel. Turn on the notification bell so that every week you will receive many more valuable tips to help old age become gentle, healthy, and full of joy.